What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day, good week. Just want to dive into my small little position I had in LTNC that I swung overnight. Just got crushed first thing in the morning, and I stopped out at 3. I brought my stop down to 3, and that's where I felt was a good risk. And if it broke that level, I felt that it was broken. It did, consolidate and hold. What is this? Like 2.8ish for the first couple hours of the morning, and then some news dropped and volume came in, and we got a rip up to a new high of 44.9. So it is what it is. Still green on the trade overall. I'm happy with at least giving it a chance to make this kind of move, but earlier in the morning. So it is what it is. I'm happy with my patience there. And then another one I was looking at was GGII. I didn't have any trades today. Monday I shouldn't be on margin anymore, so I'll be able to trade freely. Jeez. GGII was a nice panic, first red day, and I mentally bought it here at 9. I saw some support. If you go back, it was on my watch list. I just saw some support around, get rid of that, 8 and 9. And that's where the big volume was in the consolidation on the first green day, and or second green day, sorry. And was just looking for a panic down to those levels and for some kind of bounce. And so we got the panic, and I actually was mentally taking shares at 9. Once the high 8s held and we started to bounce a little bit, just mental position at 9. It was out at like 9.7 on this small little bounce. And then I was also taking some mental trades. I was adding, I mentally sold here at 9.7, and then mentally added or bought more shares here at like 9.55, and then 9.81 on these higher lows, and then sold into the perk to VWAP here. So a couple of nice little mental singles there. It sucks not having any trades available, so that's why I'm getting rid of margin. That way I can trade freely and just have those trades when I will just be able to trade the setups when I see them. And so the only reason why usually when I buy panics, I don't like to try to find the bottom. I'm good at recognizing the momentum shift in the level 2, but I get faked out a lot of times. Sometimes there's a fake turn and then it'll dip lower. And so I had small size here mentally, and then really kind of added some bigger size on these dips, because I like maybe I'll take, if I am going to try this, it's going to be small size. If I'm trying to predict if I'm trying to predict basically the bottom, small size, and then if I get some kind of double bottom or higher low like it did here, that's where I see it as bullish. The trend has reversed. And that's where I'm more confident and willing to add some actual size there. And I wouldn't risk this bottom like I would risk this bottom here. So I'm trying to buy in as close as I can, and I'm risking that bottom. And then the higher low, buying as close as I can on the low, and I'm risking this same bottom. I think this down here is a little too much risk if I want to add any size. And so that's the bottom I would risk. That's the dip, and got a nice move there, and then just kind of faded. And so I will be looking for another panic dip buy, and unfortunately I won't have any trades to trade it tomorrow. I won't have another trade until Friday, and it takes a couple 2 to 3 days for your margin to go away and your account to be back to just a cash account. So I just expect Monday to be back cash account, ready to rock and roll. I feel like my discipline is much better, and I'm really focused on just the patterns I like and are comfortable with, and my size has gotten much better. My consistency has gotten much better this month, even though the last couple weeks I took off. Just overall, I came back pretty strong so far. I haven't lost a trade, and I'm pretty confident, and I'm excited to be able to trade freely on Monday. So that's basically it for me today. Just a couple small reviews there. Hope it made sense. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.